bought this Polaris 500 Sportsman last year. Mostly gets used for logging. Every once in a while you gotta have some fun with it. Put a light bar on it. It's got a 3,500 pound Champion winch. And I mounted the milk crate to the front. It's really handy for storing all kinds of stuff. But the major modifications are in the back. I built this box out of scrap plywood. It's basically being held on by angle irons on the bottom, and it's a boat plug that acts like a lock and ride lock. Just holds everything in place. Got my old 266. It's being held in place by this bungee strap. Inside my box I got gas and oil. Got some tools, wedges, some tools that you use a lot. Got the hard hat, earmuffs, bug eyes, a good old wedge pounder. And I also mounted some mud flaps, because I do tow a trailer quite often. Keeps the mud and debris out of my trailer. So yeah, this is my micro logging rig.